guys, check out this turbo on this Neon, man. It's like a 50 or 60 trim. What do y'all think of this thing? Freaking insane. Yeah. That Landon, Chris.
Shitbox life.
Shitbox life. About 400 rear wheel horsepower in an SRT4.
It's front wheel drive. It's front wheel.
Oh yeah, sorry. I've been in so many cars that. Yeah.
He said I like the best.
Now if they make a rear wheel drive Neon, you fucking tell me.
Oh yeah. That would be the drift. That would be the drift king.
Yeah, for sure.
No, no, man. I feel like if this thing was all wheel, nothing can touch it.
Oh, nothing would touch it.
No.
But her name's Nona, by the way.
No.
Nona.
Nona.
Like I said, driving it feels normal.
Yeah.
So as soon as
Well, that's the way a turbo. That's the way a turbo is.
Yeah.
I have a 400 horsepower Trans Am, and now I have a, I'm going to ballpark it, say it's around 400 horsepower Neon.
This one probably makes just as much, if not more.
Oh shit, this thing is fast. It's a lot faster.
Yeah.
It's the fastest Neon I've ever been in, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't believe I actually bought something that's fucking fast. Everybody said, you're like the 9th person that said that. I took it out to the fucking car meet last night and everybody was talking shit. And then next thing I know, they're all just like, yeah, that's the fastest Neon we've ever seen. So I don't know who this thing OG belonged to, but
He don't want that.
he's staring.
You want me to put it on a two-step?
It's already got 2-step.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
I don't give 2 shits in a while. What the fuck? Love this fucker. I got full coverage. I got all the parts covered.
Jesus.
I'm getting ashamed of myself.
Undoubtedly the fastest shit box I've ever been in, for sure. So she runs. Well, we've been working on the wrecker today, guys. We've been working on the transmission lines. We got the lines hooked up for the cooler for the front here. And now we're waiting on the drive shaft. Should be coming soon. Should be getting that done. This thing's gonna be a sick, fun project. We gotta keep working on it. We gotta get some tires soon. They're dry rotted. You know, it has a 400 Chevrolet in it. We're kind of tinkering with that. We've had about 3 engines in this thing, counting a Cadillac engine, a 460 Ford. It's had when we got it, it had a 355 Chevy in it. Now it has a 400. But we're kind of working that out. We're trying to get this rear end figured out all back here. We got some drive shafts coming. So we should be ready to go soon, guys. Should be getting her on the road soon. Stay tuned.